Smeal Manufacturing is one of North America's leading fire truck apparatus manufacturers, from pumpers to aerials. Our campus sits on over 8 acres with 200,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Roughly, Smeal has 250 employees, and our build is somewhere between 250 to 300 custom-made firefighting apparatuses a year. With the amount of internal fabrication that we do because of being a custom manufacturer, it is critical that a lot of my MRO supplies can never fall short. This is the success of bringing on Fastenal.
When we first showed up to Smeal, we saw that the bins were kind of all over the place. They weren't at point of use. They were overflowing, and overflowing with the wrong product even. It was kind of a mess. To kind of take care of that problem of bins kind of being everywhere and not at the point of use, we brought it to the point of use, clearly labeled all the products. We brought in vending. We put those into 7 different areas. We're constantly catering those vending machines for products that area uses. So an employee has to go to a machine, simply type their number in. They can get any of the products that are in the machine. If Smeal would like, they can restrict that product to the type of work that they need to do. On the backside, Smeal gets the advantage of a report that gets sent weekly. They use that report for both training purposes. If one employee is using one product more than another, they can see why that is. They can also just see if someone's using too much of a product.
We had in the past a kind of a centralized tool crib, tool cage, where people would go to pick up everything from a drill bit to a pair of gloves to a tape measure, for example. They spent a lot of time walking, and unfortunately in between those walks there was also a fair amount of talking that occurred. Now we've got them to the point of use. They're able to go up to the vending machine, punch in the code, I believe the last 4 digits of their social security number, get the product that they need instantly, and get back to work. More time for the employees to be working and doing what's important, and that's getting fire trucks built and out the door.
We would estimate that the total cost savings that we will see and realize within the first year is at least $500,000. That's in travel time.
The reporting capability that we found with Fastenal gives us an opportunity to gather information very quickly and to see what's being used where. So that helps us in terms of planning and knowing what products are being used in certain areas of the plant, knowing what our consumable spend is, looking at quality, making sure that we're getting the high quality products. That's one of the things that has impressed me most with Fastenal, because when I look at vendors, what I'm looking for is the best product, best service at the best price. And I think with Fastenal, we've been able to achieve all 3 of those.
One of the successes of bringing Fastenal on is, in the past, we truly didn't have a grasp of what our usage was. We did not know what we did not know. Now, the usage has an accuracy rate of 99.9%. When the product drops, that's when we are sent the information into the report that it has been taken into our usage.
We've been very pleased to partner with Fastenal. We found that we were able to consolidate from a number of vendors to one solid vendor to deliver to us a lot of the small items that we consider floor stock and consumable supplies. When I say small items, I'm talking about in terms of small dollar value on a per each basis, but in aggregate it amounts to hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. So for us to streamline that process, it's made it easier for our purchasing people, it's made it much easier for the ladies in accounts payable, and it's made for a much more efficient process in terms of being able to take advantage of consolidated vendor managed inventory. And as a chief financial officer, to me it's all about anywhere we can improve the top line and improve the bottom line. I'm going to be looking at those things, and Fastenal's helped us in that regard very much.